Hola bananas! Hola bananas! Hola bananas! Hola bananas! We're still here in Singapore, but for today's vlog, nandito tayo kung saan matatagpuan ang world's largest rooftop infinity pool at most famous infinity pool in all over the world, which is Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. And of course, you cannot access the infinity pool kung di ka guest or nakastay sa hotel nila. Kaya, let's go and mag-check-in na! I'm so excited! So, tapos na kami mag-check-in, mabilis yung queuing system nila, and of course, yung service nila, which is really, really good and perfect for me. And then, of course, binigyan nila kami nitong leaflet kung saan makikita na rin yung card and kung anong tower din yung room namin. Kasi, ito Marina Bay Sands, guys, meron siyang 3 towers. So, nasa tower 3 kami. And ito pala yung prices ng room nila. For us, nakakuha kami ng mas mababang price through Airbnb. So, legit naman yung sa Airbnb, guys. So, it's at your own risk na rin kung dun kayo magbubook sa mismong Airbnb. For us, nakatipid kami ng halos half ng regular price sila. Kaya, okay na rin. And ito, guys, yung makikita nyo sa lobby. So, sobrang daming restaurants niya at makikita nyo kung bakit nga sobrang mahal talaga ng room dito sa Marina Bay Sands. So, this Marina Bay Sands Hotel is located along Marina Bay waterfront with 3 cascading hotel towers. Meron siyang 2,200 rooms, Sand Sky Park, floating crystal pavilions, lotus-inspired art science museum, the Shoppes, which is yun yung Marina Bay Sands mall, celebrity chef restaurants, theaters, at saka nightclubs. Kaya pala sobrang mahal nila or ng hotel rooms nila kasi sobrang accessible ng hotel na to sa lahat ng magagawa nyo dito sa Singapore. Aside from taking a dip in the infinity pool and appreciating the city skyline, marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin while staying here in Marina Bay Sands Hotel. To those na mahilig mag-shopping, the Shoppes at Marina Bay Sands is just an elevator away from your hotel room. Guys, di lang shopping, but also pwede ka sumakay sa sampan boat and ride along the canal at the said mall. Of course, meron din silang casino and gambling area. Habang nakastay kayo sa hotel na to, pwedeng-pwede nyong i-visit ang Sky Park Observation Deck located sa 57th floor ng Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Free of charge siya sa mga hotel guests, but may fee for those who are not staying in the hotel. Sa mga mahilig sa arts and science, sobrang matutuwa kayo dito sa Art Science Museum. So, Art Science Museum here in Marina Bay Sands is an iconic cultural landmark in Singapore and the cultural component of Marina Bay Sands. Located siya sa labas ng The Shoppes but still connected with the mall. Di lang siya pambata, guys. Pang all ages siya. As in, trust me, sobrang mag-enjoy kayo dahil interactive museum siya. At the same time, they offer different exhibits based on your interest. I will share to you my videos for Art Science Museum in my TikTok and Facebook page, Joya Banana. Follow me on TikTok and Facebook page, guys! Finally, nandito na tayo sa floor ng aming hotel room. So guys, yung room na binook namin is located in Tower 3 and itong room na to ay may garden view, deluxe room garden view, which means that we have a view of gardens by the bay. Hola bananas! Welcome to our room in Marina Bay Sands! Hotel room tour! So on the right, we have this card for electricity and then makeup room, do not disturb, and all the controls. And we have here the toilet! The toilet. Wow! Is there a bidet? There's no bidet, but it's okay. It's very spacious. The mirror, the vanity area, and the open shower. Wow! Hot water, cold water, the soap, open Here you can see here the closet. So we have the hair dryer, the laundry bags, and some nice gloves or show mitten. And then we have here the bathrobes and the slippers. Other than that, we have here the bar, the usual bar. Then espresso machine for the coffee. And see what we have here. The complimentary drinks, Coke, Sprite, juices, and the water bottles. With water, of course. And here's the most exciting part of the room. Bedroom. This is a king size bed, and then here you have two side tables, and then here's my favorite part, this huge TV. So here you can see your name, but since it's booked by our friend Young Yanni, it's her name on it. And then it's a huge TV. Look how huge it is. And then here we have the desk, our work table or work area. And then we have here this mini chair, couch. And here are the controls for the whole room. So as you can see, the curtain, the sheer, and then all the types of light. And then here, let's open the curtain. Wow! Look at this view.
What a feeling.
So here, as you can see, our room has a balcony. And then let's just open this one, this door, which will lead us to the balcony itself. And the most amazing view
Step
here
one,
in Singapore.
wake up early, gonna rise the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. vibration. Good food, good mood.
That's it,
blood in
banana. See you
circulation.
guys in my
One
next
step
video.
at a time,
Thank
yeah,
you.
that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take 'em. I try to pick one thought.